feel good?
That was weird.
Or overtaking someone?
Yeah.
It's not the way around, isn't it?
Yeah. Usually people are overtaking me. Why are people overtaking me? I was doing 70.
Because they want to get past you. They're in a rush.
I was doing 70.
I know, yeah. You're doing the maximum speed, aren't you?
Exactly.
Does that surprise you, that?
Yes. Is that not illegal?
Everybody, and welcome to today's video with Sophie. We're going to be going on to dual carriageways via acceleration lane and getting off our deceleration lane. So we're going to be using slip roads. So I'll just quickly show you the diagram. For anyone watching the video, I'll put a picture of the diagram up at this point. And we'll just find it. So we're going to enter via a roundabout, which is going to enter on the deceleration lane. So that's what you acceleration lane, building our speed up. It's going to be a 70 mile an hour road unless it says anything different. So we've got to get our speed up pretty quickly, which you're quite good at now. You just need a bit of a reminder, don't you? And then when we get past the point where the grass ends, the white lines start, you're going to check your mirrors to the right, see what's in that lane, and tell them with the right signal that you want to get on. Now, they're already on. We need to get on safely. There's a giveaway line there, you see. So eventually it narrows and disappears. So we need to kind of get our speed up so that it's easy to get on. Because if we're doing like 40 mile an hour and they're doing 70, they're going to keep flying past you fast. So if we get to about 50, 55, it's going to be harder for them to get past you. So if they're going slow, we're just straight on. If they're catching up with you, you can just let them shoot past you, tuck in behind them. And it's left lane for driving, right lane for overtaking. And if we're catching up with a heavy goods vehicle, they can only go 60 miles an hour. So we can be doing 70, so we're going to be looking to overtake it. And when we get past it, checking your mirror that it's actually behind you, and then signaling to get back in.
Okay.
And obviously keeping a 2-second gap between time. And then to get off the carriageway, there's going to be a sign saying in half a mile there's an exit coming up, and you're going to get countdown markers. So when you pass the 3 stripes sign, check your mirrors to the left, signals to the left. But you don't slow down until you're on the deceleration lane. Okay, it's just like a motorway, but it's not motorway rules, it's normal rules on the road.
Okay.
Okay with that?
Yeah.
Any questions you want to ask me about it?
No.
No?
Not yet.
All right. You might see some unusual vehicles on these, like wide loads that are avoiding the main grid system.
Okay.
Because it's quite a long road, it goes on for miles and miles and miles. All right.
Okay.
So we're going to go left at the lights, and it's going to be an acceleration lane where we're going to build our speed up to get on the carriageway.
Okay. Should I signal left?
I would. Yeah, at least everyone knows behind you that you're going to go left. Because in the busy traffic, no one knows what you're doing.
Wait, is this the bit
This
where
is it, yeah. So you build your speed up now.
So what gear do I go to?
Third gear when you're ready. That's it. Then keep building your speed up now. Fourth gear. Straight down. That's it. And then keep building your speed up. Now check to your right. Tell them you want to get on. See, he's pulling out for you then. And then you come up, that lane's yours there. Cancel your signal now. Use your 5th gear. Cross to you. That's it. Does that feel like a scramble? Yeah. Should we try it again then?
Okay.
Get on and get off. Also get off and get back on. Feels like a rush, doesn't it? But because the more you do it, the more you know what's coming next, so you get on with it. And because it's fast, the afters are quick. And we'll keep a gap from the car in front of you. If we're doing 60 miles an hour, we're not going slow.
He's going a lot slower though, because when I was on 60, I was catching up.
Yeah, I mean, if we weren't getting off, I'd say let's overtake him. It looks like a horse carriage in front of us, two in front of us.
I like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What, going this speed?
Yeah.
See, what you get on these big A roads is like parking spots in quarter of a mile, things like that. So if you wanted to pull over and just say you with your mates, and you both could drive and you're tired, you could change drove at that point. That's the idea, keep a gap. So it doesn't feel like you're going fast when everyone's going the same speed. It feels like you're going at like 30 miles an hour.
Yeah.
They're nice wide roads, so there's no on the white line on the left is the edge of the road. They're called rumble strips. So if you go over, you feel the car. It kind of reminds you to get back into your lane. So there's your countdown markers to get off. So there's no sign. Maybe sign's missing. So when you pass the 3 stripes, don't slow down. Keep that, maintain that speed. When you pass it, check your mirrors to the left, centre left. Tell everyone you're going to get off. And you slow down on the deceleration lane, which is the bit when it comes off the slip road.
This bit.
This bit here, yeah. So when you come on this bit here, you check your mirrors, cancel your signal. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in the seconds to the right lane. So check your right mirror and come across to the middle. That's it. We want to go straight on and get back on. We don't want to kind of go left and get off. There's your middle lane. You change down to a lower gear. That's the one, yeah. And all we're going to do is when the lights change, we're going to go ahead and get back on. That's it. It'll start again for you. Gas and light. And then you, as you enter, you go across to the left where the grass is. That's where you want to get off.
Wait, am I going that way?
Over there, yeah. Now see the lights changing. So you just slow yourself down. Doesn't give you much time to build speed up, does it? And then that's the acceleration lane to get back on again. Here we go. Off we go. That's it. And then now you go up the gears now, second gear. And then build it up, so accelerate. Third gear at this point. That's it. And then build it up.
Signal.
Fourth gear. So where the grass is ending.
Mm-hmm.
So as you get towards the bottom, check your right mirror. Tell them you want to get on. Accelerate more. So you got your speed up. Fifth gear now if you want to. Across to you, that's it. Can't see signal. Now I feel a bit better. Now if you check your right mirror, there's a car in there. And that silver car is going slow, so let's build our speed up another second. Checking.
Signal?
Yeah, signal to change lanes, yeah. Slowly come across, because it's not a quick turn. Cancel your signal. And just get to about 65, 67. Don't rush to get back in your lane. Just check that you've actually passed them. And signal to come back in there. That feel good?
That was weird.
Or overtaking someone.
Yeah.
It's on the way around, isn't it?
Yeah. Usually people are overtaking me.
Now, see, cars might come on here, so stay where you are. Just have a look at the slip road. At the moment, it's clear. So when they're coming on, you've got choices. You can either check your right mirror, and if there's nothing in the right lane, and there's a few cars coming on, you could change lanes to help them. That'll make it a little bit easier for them. Or if it's just one car coming on, keep an eye on them. They're probably going to try and get ahead of you or get behind you. They're not going to come next to you because that's dangerous, isn't it? But if they do come close to you, drop off your gas and let them shoot ahead of you, and that way you're avoiding them. Because even though it's your right away, you don't want to get hurt. If someone's a bad driver and they're not paying attention, they might just drive straight on not looking.
Yeah.
Now, you see your cruise button in the middle there? See it there?
Yeah.
Press it. And then the one next to it, press it down.
This one?
Yeah. And then take your foot off the gas.
Oh, that's bizarre.
So that's the sort of thing you want to do on the motorway. Now, to cancel the cruise, you either just gently touch the brake or you press the cruise button to cancel it all. And then you're back in control. So just say, for instance, you were driving up to, say, Manchester. It's a couple-hour drive on the M1, left lane, 60 mile an hour, nice and clear, cruise button, and you can relax your legs then, can't you?
Why are people overtaking me? I was doing 70.
Because they want to get past you, they're in a rush.
I was doing 70.
I know, yeah. You're doing the maximum speed, aren't you?
Exactly.
Does that surprise you, that?
Yes. Is that not illegal?
Yes. We're going to come to the end of this section of the A5 and we're going to be going left at the roundabout.
Oh, I'm enjoying this.
You're enjoying this?
Yeah. I want to stay here.
We can always get back on in a few minutes.
Yeah.
If you've enjoyed Sophie and the dual carriageways, getting on and getting off, give it a thumbs up, give us some words of encouragement. If you want to see her videos, I'll put a playlist. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So at the roundabout, we're going to go left. And you see it says on the right there, reduce speed. Because obviously you're going fast at this point, aren't you?